How to download and install Wirex application on your iOS device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are using an iOS device and want to download the Wirex app, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open App Store and go to the search bar. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and type in Wirex in the search bar. Look for this application from Wirex Limited, which says Wirex Finance Manager and Trade, and tap on the Get button. Now you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password if you're downloading the app for the first time on this device. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can tap the app open and sign in with your existing Wirex account, or sign up to create a new account if you're a new user. And that's it. That's how you get the Wirex app downloaded on your iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.